Hello everyone, we are excited to present our project leveraging ChatGPT for social impact, identify needs enabling service, understand communities in Bangladesh. In a nation like Bangladesh where significant portions the population still face challenges facing services, our project explore how artificial intelligence, especially ChatGPT, can powerful tool for positive changes. The core purposes of our initiative multifaceted. Firstly, we aim to preciously locate services populations across Bangladesh, ensuring our efforts are directly where they are the most needed. Secondly, we focus identify critical needs these communities, vital sectors and food shelters. It is not enough to identify problems. Our third object of efficiency matches these identified needs where relevant local, international NGOs and government organizations that provide necessary aid. Beyond identification and matching, we are committed to streamlining entire aid delivery process. This means developing efficiency and timely assistance, developing ensure help to research who need to most without necessary delays. Our bureaucratic holders unlimitedly. Our project seeks empower organization SCI in their corporate social responsibility CSR community develop efforts by providing with data strategies by harnessing analytical capabilities like ChatGPT. We believe we can make talented, efficient, and powerful painting with a brighter future of valuable communities in Bangladesh. Thank you very much for merging me.
Hi, my name is Nahin Meravik, and continuing from our project purposes, I'll now talk about how we find the people who need our help the most. For this, we are using ChatGPT not just as ChatGPT bot, but as smart tool like helping us analyzing information. ChatGPT help us finding people who didn't have access to basic needs like clean water, food, healthcare, or education. Those people often live in poor areas of cities or in the remote village across Bangladesh. Now, who are the key groups we want to help? First, orphanage with women and elder people who live alone, who often suffer the most and need support. We also focus on people who live in the area that often flood or face natural disaster like storm or river erosion. To make sure we are helping the right people, we look the most details such as age, children under 12 and elder over 16, generation, family led by women as like face many challenges, and education, people who can't read or didn't finish their primary schools and their income is daily waging women or unemployment people. The location is rural.
Hello everyone, I am Nausheen Tasnim Tithi. Now that we have discussed how we identify those in need, let's explore the crucial next step, connecting them with the right support. ChatGPT plays an equally vital role here by assisting us in discovering relevant NGOs and government organizations. It helps us find organizations and specializing in a range of critical services, including health services, food distribution programs, educational initiatives, shelter provision, and climate resilience projects. The information provided by ChatGPT is invaluable. It gives us the NGO's name and operational area, the specific services they offer, and details about their organization size and structure, allowing for precise matching. To illustrate this process, let's look at the concrete example providing medical aid in Korai Slum, Dhaka. Location: our system identified Coral Slum, a densely populated area in Dhaka, as a high need zone. Need identified through our analysis: a significant need for basic medical care among low-income residents was highlighted. Many residents suffer from chronic or untreated illness due to lack of access to healthcare. Demographic: the primary beneficiaries identified are the elderly, women, and children who are particularly vulnerable to health issues in such an environment. Supporting NGO: based on ChatGPT's recommendations and our criteria, ASHA was identified as a suitable supporting NGO known for its work in providing healthcare services to underserved communities in urban areas. This use case demonstrates how ChatGPT enables us to move from identifying broad need to pinpoint a specific location, understanding the demographic challenges, and then efficiently connecting them with the capable organization. It transforms a complex humanitarian challenge into a structured, actionable plan. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about how we can use a smart system to help people in need, especially in places like Coral Slum. Our system helps us give medical aid in a very organized way. So it has 5 simple steps, and we use information and real-time updates to make sure we are helping the right people. So at first, find people who need help. First, we use a tool like ChatGPT. It helps us find out where people need help the most and who they are. Once we find this information, we check it very carefully to make sure it's correct. Then we share it with our partners like NGOs, and this makes sure everyone knows what's happening and the information is accurate. So then after we have good information, we send our team, which includes medical staff, to the places where people need help and then give medical care. This is where we actually help. Our medical team gives the necessary care to the people who need it, and lastly get feedback. It's very important to ask people what they think after we have helped them. This helps us see if we did a good job, if anything was missed, and how we can do even better next time. This organized way of working helps us be efficient and responsible. But our system isn't just for medical help. It can be used for many other important things too. Like for education, imagine using ChatGPT to find areas where children are dropping out of school, and then organizations like BRAC can help these children get back to school in rural areas. And then for food security, we can find children who don't have enough food, especially in areas affected by climate change. Then groups like the World Food Program can deliver food to them. And then for shelter, our system can even help find families who have lost their homes because of floods. And then organizations like UNDP can work with groups that build shelters to help them. These examples show how useful and flexible our ChatGPT powered system is. It can help us solve many social problems in Bangladesh. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My speech is about feedback, next step, and the conclusion. So, our project goes beyond aid delivery. It focuses on continuous improvement through monitoring and feedback powered by ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates summaries, give real-time insights, helping us understand field conditions instantly. It helps us identify graphs, ensuring no one is left behind. ChatGPT also supports predictive analysis using traits and data to anticipate future needs and allocate resources effectively. So next step. So I have made this in 3 steps. Initial setup and partnership. Select pilot zones and NGO partners using ChatGPT recommendations. Then promote template development. Create standard promotes for accurate and constant data collection. Paced rollout. Implement AI-based targeting, gradually monitor results, then scale across Bangladesh. So now conclusion. Our project demonstrates the transformative potential and leveraging ChatGPT for social impact. Your support and collaboration are key to enriching our community and building a fairer, smarter aid system. Thank you for your time and attention. We are now open for any questions you may have. Thank you very much.